Ever wished you could turn videos into a structured SOP within, say, a minute? Well, with this automation in Mate.com, you now can. When you upload a video into a Google Drive folder, Mate.com will act on a schedule, taking the most recent video uploaded and turning it into a professional, structured and detailed SOP, just like this one. At UX Consultancy, this is the automation we've created. I have the automation open in 2 tabs, so I can run it live in one and talk through it in the other. To start it off, a Google Drive module monitors a specific folder and detects the most recent MP4 file uploaded. The video is then downloaded and sent over to Assembly AI, which is a third-party platform and can convert the MP4 audio to a full transcript. Once that is done, it passes the transcript to 2 OpenAI modules for 2 creative steps. One OpenAI module creates a clear and relevant title from the transcript, while the other transforms the transcript into the full SOP. Next comes the Markdown module, which actually converts the already formatted Markdown text into HTML so that it retains its structure and its styling when it's added to Google Docs. Without this conversion, all the text would appear plain, losing headings, bullet points, and bold framing. After that, we have 2 Google Doc modules. One creates a document with the raw transcript from Assembly AI. The other creates a separate document with a structured SOP generated from the OpenAI module. Both use the same title, but at the end we add brackets to clearly label the transcript and the SOP. To finish off the automation, a Gmail module sends a confirmation email straight to your inbox. This email includes clickable links to both documents so you can open them instantly and share them or make edits. This automation is super helpful for operations and training teams who want to quickly turn video tutorials into structured SOPs without spending hours transcribing, formatting, and documenting processes manually. That's a quick look at our video files to professional SOP automation. If you want to see more automations like this one, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next demo.